Today we're going to be making some face wash. So I know that I have the Bloom face wash that I just got that I'm going to be trying out, but I wanted to make one that I could put like in the shower, in the bathroom, just to like wash and get my makeup off. So I'm going to be making one today. This is a foaming little soap pump that I got on Amazon. If you guys are curious which one this is, you can message me and I'll send you the link. And so what I did is I already filled it probably like 2/3 of the way with distilled water. So make sure you use distilled water or boiled water, because if you don't, tap water can have bacteria in it. So it's filled up to here. So that's how much water you're gonna fill your container up with if you have a foaming container. If not, that's probably too much water. It's gonna come out a lot more watery. So you can add more Castile soap. So I'll show you how to do that. So then what you're gonna need is Castile soap. They didn't have Dr. Bronner's, which is actually my favorite brand, but this is from Sprouts and it's unscented. So Castile soap is just really pure soap that you can use for a lot of different things. So I got the Castile soap. Then you're gonna wanna use rose water. So I have this rose water. This is pure and organic. I like to use organic things if it's going on my skin, because you don't wanna use anything with like pesticides and things like that. Then the next thing I'm gonna use is jojoba oil. You could also use almond oil, but I'm gonna use jojoba oil. And then the 3 oils you're gonna use are rosemary, lavender, and tea tree. So you're gonna wanna get these 3 oils and make sure you're using quality oil. You don't wanna put anything that you don't know what's in it on your face. That's why I like Young Living, because it's pure essential oil. Some of the other brands or ones that you can buy at the store of essential oil have other fillers in them that you don't know. So legally they're not required to tell you how much essential oil is in the bottle. So that's why I like Young Living, because it's pure. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the bottle, fill it up about to here with water. Then you're gonna fill with the Castile soap up to here. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I filled this about to here with Castile soap. You are gonna add a little bit more, so leave a tiny bit of headroom on the top. So we're gonna do a tablespoon of jojoba oil. So and jojoba oil is kind of expensive, but you can find the little bottles like this one. I found this at Sprouts, but you can also buy it online. So I just got a smaller bottle. Okay, so there's 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, and then you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of the rose water. So just a little bit of this. Okay, so that was 1 teaspoon of the rose water. Okay, and then you're gonna do, let's do rosemary. So you're gonna do 3 drops of rosemary. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. 10 drops of lavender. That rosemary smells so good. Okay, so 10 drops of lavender. Perfect. And then 5 drops of tea tree oil. Then you're gonna put the pump back on it. Tighten it. And then you don't wanna like shake this up because it'll get really foamy and come out of the top. So you're just gonna kind of gently incorporate it. So just very slowly. And then there you have it. I hope if you guys have fun making this face soap, it's perfect to use in the shower or just to get your makeup off before you use like a more expensive cleanser or anything like that, but I highly suggest this.